Which country launched the first AI-powered satellites to build a space-based supercomputing network? Correct option is C, China. How many gold medals did Suruchi Singh win at the ISSF World Cup 2025 in Germany? Correct option is B, 1 medal. A voltmeter is used to measure which of the following? Correct option is D, electric potential difference. Which chemical compound is formed when carbon dioxide gas is passed through a solution of calcium hydroxide? Correct option is D, calcium carbonate. Which Indian state has planned to develop a Great Green Wall along its coastline by 2030 to mitigate the impact of cyclones, floods, and rising sea levels? Correct option is A, Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following substances is primarily responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer? Correct option is C, chlorofluorocarbons. When multiple resistors are connected in a series circuit, which electrical quantity remains the same across all individual resistors? Correct option is B, current. Which Foundation Day did the Border Security Force celebrate in 2024? Correct option is C, 60th Foundation Day. When was the first Comprehensive Waqf Act enacted by the Indian Parliament after independence? Correct option is C, in 1954. What happens when the ovum in a female is not fertilized? Correct option is A, menstruation. What is the formula for the speed of a wave? Correct option is A, speed is equal to frequency times wavelength. Who received the Lifetime Achievement Award at the 16th Bangalore International Film Festival? Correct option is C, Shabana Azmi. What type of reproduction primarily occurs when male and female organisms combine genetic material through gametes? Correct option is D, sexual reproduction. Which of the following is a molecular compound? Correct option is D, H2O. What does the acronym UNFCCC stand for? Correct option is C, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Which of the following is the electronic configuration of chlorine? Correct option is B, 287. What was a primary focus theme for the 2025 International Day of Democracy? Correct option is C, achieving gender equality, action by action. Which of the following is always positive for a convex mirror? Correct option is A, both focus and center of curvature. How much amount is currently given as the cash prize in the Sahitya Akademi's Children's Literature Award? Correct option is B, 50,000 rupees. Which of the following correctly lists the three primary functional components of a neuron? Correct option is C, cell body, dendrites, and axon. On what type of surface is the French Open or Roland Garros played? Correct option is C, clay court. A planet has mass m and radius r. What is the formula for the gravitational acceleration g at its surface? Correct option is A, gravitational acceleration equal to gm upon r square. According to Newton's second law, what happens when an unbalanced force acts on an object? Correct option is A, the object accelerates. Where has the V-Ulsa missile been consistently flight tested by the DRDO and the Indian Navy? Correct option is B, Integrated Test Range Chandipur, Odisha. Where is the center of curvature located for a convex mirror? Correct option is C, behind the mirror. The epidermis, which is the outer layer of the skin, is composed of which type of epithelial tissue? Correct option is A, stratified squamous epithelium. Which Indian sports teams were jointly honored at the Sportstar Aces Awards 2025 held in Mumbai? Correct option is C, Indian men's and women's chess teams. What is the most common and practical method a farmer should use to obtain water for irrigation from a nearby river? Correct option is D. Canal lift irrigation. Two wires A and B are made of the same material and have the same length. The cross-sectional area of wire A is twice that of wire B. What is the ratio of the resistance of wire A to wire B? Correct option is B. 1:2. Team won the Men's Asia Cup 2025 by defeating Pakistan in the final? Correct option is B. India. National Flag Day celebrated every year on which date in India? Correct option is D. On 22nd July. Who took charge as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India on 19th February? Correct option is C. Gyanesh Kumar. What is the name of India's first indigenously designed and manufactured aircraft carrier? Right option is D. INS Vikrant. Which national park was recently declared as 58th Tiger Reserve of India? Right option is B. Madhav National Park. Where has the Asian Security Summit 2025 been organized? Correct option is A. Singapore. Which African country will be the first to implement India's UPI system? Correct option is A. Namibia. Which space agency has launched the space telescope to map the universe's cosmic glow? Correct option is C. NASA. Who has topped the Fiscal Health Index 2025 recently released by Niti Aayog? Correct option is D. Odisha. Who is the author of the book The World After Gaza? Right option is A. Pankaj Mishra. Which country has launched the world's fourth fastest supercomputer named Jupiter? Correct option is C. Germany. Who became the first Indian lawyer to honor the 2025 World Law Congress? Right option is A. Bhuvan Ribhu. Between which two countries was joint military exercise Shakti 2025 conducted in June? Correct option is B. India and France. Which team won the Women's Premier League 2025 title? Correct option is D. Mumbai Indians. What is India's global rank in vehicle manufacturing as per Ministry of Road Transport and Highways? Correct option is C. 3rd. When was World Elephant Day observed recently? Right option is C. On 12th August. Who was elected as the 15th Vice President of India in September? Right option is B. C.P. Radhakrishnan. The wetland sites of Khichon and Menar were officially designated as Ramsar sites. Is located in which state? Correct option is A. Rajasthan. According to the NCRB report, which city was India's safest city for the year 2023? Correct option is B. Kolkata. Who has recently launched the world's first crypto tourism payment system? Right option is D. Bhutan. Which country recently honored PM Narendra Modi with the National Order of the Southern Cross? Correct option is D. Brazil. What is the name of the mission launched by ISRO to study the Sun? Right option is A. Aditya L1.